Double down on 24 sustained-release age-reversing topicals. Introducing our Powerhouse Bundle, StepZero Age-Reversing Powder and HYDRÍQ Age-Reversing Hydrator. After cleansing your skin, morning or night, StepZero is the very first product you apply to your skin. Think of it as the foundation, the true StepZero in any skincare routine. Opening the container, twist the sifter, and with a few taps, allow the powder to disperse into the lid. Grab the applicator of your choice and press into the lid to pick up the powder. As you gently apply StepZero to your skin, focus on covering the areas most prone to showing signs of aging, like the forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, neck, and even back of hands. When you're finished, simply place the applicator back into the lid and the lid onto the container. With StepZero applied, follow with HYDRÍQ to guide the age-reversing particles deep into your skin and provide a double dose of 24's age-reversing effects. As you gently apply HYDRÍQ to your skin, cover your face, neck, and even back of hands. With that, your skin is prepped for the remainder of your routine. Smart skincare that works harder, so you don't have to.